Hey guys, okay, this is my library. This is it. So I'm going to scooch in. This is, I just tripped over bus. There's Kit. Might have some glare because of the front door, but let me walk slowly towards the ladder. But this is where it starts. And go down. And then there's the ladder. So then we'll go up. Isn't it beautiful? That's Bus's nails on the ground. I love my library. Go scoot over here. That's the glare from the window, from the front door. Isn't it great? This is our comfy cushions, our comfy couch. There's two of the babies. Of course, their toys are everywhere. So this was our formal dining room that we turned into my planner room. That became my filming area. So this is where I film. But let me show you. I'll go here for right now, and then I'll come back into the library because that's where the coffee bar is. So I put Post-it notes over the bad word. But this is where all my planners or albums are, and my tans, and our wall of where we've been, and my Mickey ears, and all the football stadiums we've been in. Coming. Here is my filming area. So this is why we keep moving the lights, and I end up getting glare on certain spots. But see, behind here, that's the library. He's tired. He's following me. So this is the library, and then you come around here, and here is the coffee bar. It's a little dark because we don't have, see, that's the front door. We don't have much light in here. But here's the coffee bar. There we go. So we have the microwave. I am a coffee drinker, but I need hot coffee. So whenever I get done, this is the refrigerator. Whenever we get done brewing my coffee, let me open it. There's my feet. See, there's waters. My favorite is water and coffee, so that's what's in here. Creamers. Let me turn it up. Let me turn the light on. There we go. So there's a sink. There's the garbage hole. That's my favorite thing about the coffee bar is the garbage hole. And so anyway, so I make coffee and then I heat it up in the microwave after because I have to have hot coffee. Not lukewarm, but hot coffee. And then I thought, well, let me show you, because I'm always talking about my PL videos and how I have nothing in my house. Oh, Tim's working. So I have nothing in my house, but this is our kitchen is right here. And this right here that's the third bathroom, guest bathroom. But here is where Tim is going to build the nook, our table nook. So right now it's just a folding table. We're still putting stuff away from the party in the backyard. That's right there's the entrance to my craft room. This is the third bathroom, guest bathroom. This is my kitchen. So I have 4 ovens. Remember, we remodeled this almost 2 years ago now. And I love it. But this is it. This is my house. So pretty simple, but I'm not a decorator, so this is all I have. So when I tell you guys that all I have is this is so true. I don't have this. All that's in there is the couch. So I'm not Dory. I'm not a, so that is the entrance to the library. I thought you guys would like to see everybody. Yes, huh, Dory Dory. There's Dory Dory. Okay, guys, so that's it. I hope the wait was worth it. I love my library. And yes, the ladder is a working ladder. It does work, and it's amazing. All right, guys, take care. Bye.